Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing all of these different Star Wars bands from MobyFox. These ones here, this one and the one you first saw at the beginning, I received initially, and these are the new ones that I received on May the 4th. Obviously, May the 4th be with you. So these are very cool. This one's a little more expensive than these because it has a 3D relief on the watch band, which we'll show. I'll show you what the Apple Watch looks like when I replace every single one of these with the watch. So here it is with the Darth Vader model right here. And this is the original Apple Watch strap. And I've had this on this particular one for a couple of months. It still looks pretty good. All right, we'll go to the next one. All right, we have the Rebel Squadron one, and as you can see, it has a relief. So these are just slightly more expensive than these other ones that we have showcased. They actually have a lot more. They have more than just Star Wars as well. So definitely check them out. But I like the texture of the watch band. It's high-grain silicone, so even if you use it a lot, it doesn't get too warm on your arm. I've been wearing these for months now. This is good for the Apple Watch size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 SE and all sizes, and it fits most Android smartwatches as well. You can even download an app for the Android and iPhone, and you can download up to 20 watch faces with this as well. Okay, we'll get to the next one now. Next one up is the Bb8 Droid Blueprints. I really like this design. Super neat, and it's quite intricate as well. Again, super high-end, soft silicone. Fits this older model Apple Watch really well. Again, it fits all the models and sizes as long as they have these different pieces. You can even get different sizes of these that are in the box. And again, the watch faces is up to 20 watch faces that come with each different band. Okay, we'll get to the next one. Okay, and here we have the C-3PO Blueprints, also intricate, very detailed right there. That's what it looks like on the back as well. Fits all different size Apple Watches. I like the gold metal pieces here and right here as well. It's like brass or gold color. I like that. Also this one too, and since I'm 24K, I'm probably going to be using this one next. I like that one a lot. Okay, we'll switch to the next one. Okay, next one up is the R2 D2 Droid Blueprints. That's what this one looks like here on this part of the band. Right there as well. On the back. They always have a logo and then two little characters down here. I like the color blue on this. It's like a teal, dark teal blue, greenish color. All right, and now we'll switch up to the next one. Okay, second to last is the Living Force. This is a super color. Again, here's some of the logos down here. All right, that's what this one looks like. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. And last but certainly not least, we have the Book of Boba Fett right here. Here's a super long view of Boba Fett here on this part of the watch band. This fits all Apple Watches sizes and some Android smartwatches as well. This has a little bit more printing on this side, and you also get a little bit of something on here as well. But there's that design for the Book of Boba Fett. And that completes the set. We have these that are new. This one you may have seen before, but we wanted to show it on the Apple Watch right there. And then we have the one I've been using for several months, the Darth Vader one. This is like the original Darth Vader design right there. And you can see the wear on there, but not too bad. The graphics are definitely holding up. This is every day for several months of use. Then we have the Death Star right here. Also looks really good, even after several months of use. And there we go. There's the new MobyFox watch bands for the Apple Watch and Android smartwatches as well. Please subscribe to the channel We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.